Madaming nagtatanong, pre-selling condo or ready for occupancy condo? Let's find out. Sa pre-selling condo, mas mura ngayon. Potential higher value. Value may increase pag natapos na. At flexible payment terms. Kaya lang, may wait time. Kailangan maghintay bago ma-occupy. May market risk. Value or demand may change while under construction. No actual unit. Hindi mo pa nakikita ang mismong unit mo. While sa RFO or ready for occupancy, immediate move in. Pwede ka na kaagad lumipat. The actual unit is available. Nakikita mo na ang space at finishes. At less uncertainty. Wala nang guesswork sa construction o market. Kaya lang, mas mahal. Usually, higher price kumpara sa pre-selling. Limited options. Some units already sold out. At less flexible payment. Stricter terms and down payment. Tandaan, walang tama o mali. Depende sa lifestyle at budget mo. Ikaw, ano ang pipiliin mo? Pre-selling or ready for occupancy? Comment below.